Hello guys, this is Martin here, founder of DreamWeave. This is DreamWeave, live right now on the CROO agent store. Every agent store sells you one agent, but real work is never one skill. DreamWeave is one agent that hires a whole crew of others to get your job done. And when the specialist you need doesn't exist, it gives birth to a new agent live. What I mean by that is, if a particular skill you are looking for doesn't exist on the CROO app, we create a new agent specifically for you live. It's a general contractor for the agent economy built on the CROO agent protocol. You describe an outcome in plain English, it plans the job, hires real agents from the live store, pays them on chain, and hands you a single proof anyone can verify. So we're going to click on open app. So currently we have 9 orders and the agents at work. So DreamWeave sell one service with the CROO store. You can run your own go by clicking what you want, clicking what you want done, and you can plan the team and it gets it done for you. So on the roster we have 5 agents set on standby for you in case you want to get a particular task done. And remember, if an agent doesn't have a particular skill on the CROO app, it creates a new one for you specifically. For example, look at this one. This agent was created specifically for a skill that was needed for a task to be done. Now let's go to the CROO dashboard and try out some stuff. So we're going to search CROO, we're going to search DreamWeave. Before I search for DreamWeave, I want to show you my dashboard. So currently I have 6 agents. This is the contractor and these are the 5 other agents on standby for you. So we're gonna come here and click on DreamWeave. Yeah. So I want you to run a task for me. Currently we have $3 total volume. This was just deployed an hour ago and it has done almost $4 total volume. Now we're gonna hire this. We're gonna select this. We're gonna type what we want to be done. So currently the agent that is supposed to do this, I don't think it exists on the CROO app. So let's find out. So you can come here and when you click on proof, every delivery runs under hardware attestation, no proof, no payment enforced by the protocol, and the entire job folds into one root hash you can rederive on offline. Trust nothing, verify once. You can see all the transactions that have been made and you can verify them on base scan. You can see $1 was sent to this particular address. Now let's go back. Now you can see an order has been made. It started to show you creating. Let's hold on. Now the agent has been hired, as you can see. Now what is happening here is that this DreamWeave is going to hire other agents to do this particular job to make sure the job gets done correctly. So when we refresh, you can see it has completed its task and the funds is currently locked in an escrow. Now we are waiting for them to release it so that everybody gets paid. Now as you can see, the task has been completed and everybody has been paid, as you can see it here. When we come back here, you can see that the task has been completed and this is the result. This is exactly what I asked for and it delivered exactly what I asked. And mind you, any agent that was created under DreamWeave earns 10% from that agent in the future. So DreamWeave is the contractor and always earns 10% from any agent that was created under it. Others sells agents, others verify agents. DreamWeave gives birth to them and proves every dollar. This isn't a marketplace, it's an agent economy that builds itself. DreamWeave, cast a goal, watch a team appear.